Let's simplify imaginary numbers. So we have evaluate I raised to the power of 27. So we have equals. We will use this I squared is equal to negative 1. So I squared. So we need 13 to apply the power rule. So that's 2 times 13 is 26. So to apply the product rule, so 26 plus 1, we need I to make it 27. So we have here 2 times 13 is 26, which is really, okay, with I, that's 27. So that's negative 1 raised to the power of 13, and we use the note square root of negative 1. And since it's odd, so that's negative 1. Copy square root of negative 1. So that's negative square root of negative 1. So we'll use the first note again. So our final answer is negative I.